Over the years, the oven can become a disgusting mess with food spills and splatters on the roof and wall. And if it's not cleaned regularly, it can be really tricky to get those stubborn marks off. Today I'm going to show you how using a Kärcher steam cleaner can help you easily clean the oven with less elbow grease. To start, we fill our steam cleaner with water. It heats up in as little as 30 seconds. Once it's heated up, we can connect our big round brush and then we're ready to go. The beauty of steam is that it only uses water, so no harmful chemicals or detergents are needed at all. This is especially great for cleaning an oven in particular, as we ideally don't want to be using chemicals in areas that we cook our food. The heat of the steam loosens the tough grime or muck that is stuck to the roof and walls of the oven. The small round brush is great for those stubborn areas. Not only is the Kärcher steam cleaner great for inside the oven, it's also ideal for the stainless steel on the outside too. This removes any of those unwanted fingerprints or marks. This not only ensures the oven looks great, but it also disinfects the area and kills 99.99% of all bacteria living on the surface. So there you have it, no more tough scrubbing to clean the oven.